BAE Systems rolls out first newly built Archer 155mm Howitzer on MAN HX2 chassis for Sweden. BAE Systems unveiled the first newly manufactured Archer 155mm self-propelled howitzer for Sweden on January 30th, 2026. The vehicle represents the first unit from a new production batch explicitly built for the Swedish Army and mounted on the MAN HX2 8x8 military truck, reflecting a deliberate evolution from earlier Archer platforms as Stockholm expands its domestic artillery capacity. The rollout follows a contract signed in September 2023 between the Swedish Defense Materiel Administration and BAE Systems Bofors for the acquisition of 48 new Archer artillery systems. The agreement, announced during the DSCI 2023 Defense Exhibition in London, was valued at several billion Swedish kronor and aimed to rapidly restore and expand Sweden's artillery capacity after the transfer of previously fielded Archer systems to Ukraine. Importantly, the contract covers entirely new build systems, ensuring full life cycle service and long-term industrial continuity for Sweden's artillery force. The original Archer wheeled howitzer was developed on the Volvo A30D 6x6 articulated hauler chassis, a robust civilian-derived platform adapted for military use. This configuration provided exceptional mobility in Sweden's harsh terrain, particularly snow-covered forests and soft ground, and helped establish Archer's reputation for high tactical mobility. However, the Volvo-based chassis offered limited payload growth, constrained protection upgrades, and limited alignment with NATO-standard military truck fleets as Sweden transitioned toward alliance-wide interoperability. The new MAN HX2 based Archer configuration directly addresses these limitations. The HX2 8x8 is a thoroughly militarized platform featuring a reinforced frame, higher gross vehicle weight rating, improved driveline durability, and optional ballistic and mine protection kits. It also provides significantly greater electrical power generation capacity, supporting advanced sensors, digital battle management systems, and future upgrades, such as extended-range munitions or counter-UAS integration. Compared to the earlier Volvo chassis, the HX2 offers better long-range road mobility, simplified logistics within NATO supply chains, and improved survivability against modern battlefield threats. Technically, Archer remains one of the most advanced wheeled self-propelled artillery systems in service. Its 155mm L52 gun is paired with a fully automated loading system capable of firing up to 8 rounds per minute, with a carried ammunition load sufficient for multiple rapid-fire missions without external resupply. The system supports multiple rounds simultaneous impact firing, allowing several projectiles to strike a target almost simultaneously from a single gun. Maximum firing ranges exceed 40 kilometers with standard extended-range ammunition and can surpass 50 kilometers with precision-guided rounds such as M982 Excalibur. A defining feature of Archer is its high level of automation. All gun laying, loading, firing, and stowage operations are performed without the crew leaving the armored cab. Time from halt to first round is typically under 30 seconds, and the system can be disengaged immediately after firing, drastically reducing vulnerability to counter-battery fire. This shoot-and-scoop performance places Archer among the fastest-reacting artillery systems currently fielded. When compared to other modern wheeled self-propelled howitzers in service, Archer occupies a distinctive position. Francis Caesar, widely used by NATO and partner nations, offers excellent strategic mobility and combat-proven reliability, but relies on a semi-automated loading process that exposes crew members during firing. Germany's RCH 155, based on the Boxer 8x8, matches Archer in automation and protection but is significantly heavier and more complex, with corresponding impacts on cost and deployability. South Korea's K9A1, while highly capable, is a tracked system with different logistical and mobility characteristics, optimized for sustained high-intensity operations rather than rapid road-based redeployment. In contrast, Archer combines near-total automation with relatively low crew requirements, high road speed, and exceptional tactical agility. These attributes make it particularly well-suited for dispersed operations in contested environments dominated by drones, counter-battery radars, and long-range precision fires, conditions increasingly observed in contemporary conflicts. BAE Systems has previously stated that the new-build Swedish Archers incorporate lessons learned from operational use by Allied forces, including systems deployed to Ukraine. These refinements are understood to include software updates to the fire control system, improved reliability of the autoloader under sustained firing cycles, and enhanced integration with digital command and control networks. While specific details remain classified, the Swedish production batch is widely regarded as the most mature Archer configuration to date. For the Swedish Army, the first rollout of a MAN HX2 based Archer signals a broader transformation of its artillery arm. As NATO's newest member strengthens its contribution to collective defense, Archer is expected to form the backbone of Sweden's long-range fires capability, particularly in the Baltic Sea region and the High North. With serial production now underway, deliveries of the remaining systems are expected to continue through the second half of the decade, culminating in full operational capability once all 48 howitzers are fielded and crews fully trained. The January 2026 rollout confirms that Sweden's artillery renewal is moving from planning to execution, combining proven firepower with a modern, NATO-aligned platform designed for the demands of future high-intensity warfare.